Okay, good afternoon, sir. Will you kindly state your name, year and course, the position you are running for, and under what slide?
I'm Agaprism Commendador, third year BA Sociology, running for Sociology Department representative.
Okay, so, sir, your first question is, what specific measures are you planning to make the students of your department more engaged?
Hmm. Uh, Siguro, more on the academic activities kasi yun talaga yung um, kalimitang nagiging problema ng mga sociology students. So, siguro mas ma-engage sila dun sa mga activities that will help their academics. Pero, yung twist na ay i-relate namin siya sa mga local and national issues para kasi yung sociology naman ang aim niya ay to interpret society pero at the same time try to make changes in the society.
Okay, your second question is, can you give us your reaction on Pinoy buying a Porsche?
Ah, ano siya, para sa akin more on the issue of morality. As, kasi yung mga sagot ni Pinoy, hindi naman siya question of what funds are you using for your leisures. Ang ano niya, ang point kasi ay you can afford to buy luxury cars at the expense of your citizens not being able to eat 3 meals a day. So parang ano lang siya. Napaka nakikita yung uh, yung class difference between the leader of the state at saka sa mga ginogovern.
Okay, your last question is, kung ikaw ay magiging isang ulam, ano iyon at bakit?
Siguro ano, fried chicken. Kasi ayun, personally favorite ko siya at ayun, sana maging favorite din ako ng mga ano, social majors if ever man. Based on sa mga magagawa ko sa ano, sa council at saka sa department.
Okay, is there anything else you want to say?
Good luck sa lahat ng candidates.
Okay, thank you, sir.